Hi, we're the Sirax family.
We are Rob and Ali.
We're the Schultz family.
And we're here to tell you everything you need to know
about cruising with Carnival Cruise Line Australia.
Welcome to Talk About Fun.
On board!
Oh my gosh, we're watching Mario. The girls are in the hot tub.
A series chatting to families about their cruise
Got
adventures.
the kids splash park in there. Oh, you've done a lot of activities, Isabella.
Oh, it's a swan.
Ready or not, are you ready or not? The best is yet to come.
There's Kids Club.
There is a kids club for the kids.
It's a place where all kids go so then parents can go and relax.
A great little retreat for the parents. You know, they take the children for a bit. It is all included in the cost, which is great. There are different age groups.
The kids club for Isabella's age group was wonderful. They went in there every single day and they just did lots of different activities. They had different stuff on all the time for them. Like, they had a ball. I just picked up the girls from Kids Club and Layla has won a trophy.
And we also made it.
Wow, hang on.
No, it's for the vlog.
Oh, for the vlog. Oh, thank you.
There you go, guys.
They'll play games and activities. Alira's got her face painted in the kids club.
If mum and dad want to go and watch a show or something like that, or go dancing, whatever you want to do, then the kids can be in there and they're looked after until a certain time. Oh, here goes. Woo!
There is two big water slides. The Twister, which is a yellow slide, it's just a normal water slide. And then there's a green lightning, which is one of the ones where the floor drops from underneath you and you go down into a bowl.
Here's the water park. We've got the kids splash park in there. The big yellow slide, that's the normal slide. And then the green one is the Green Thunder that like shoots you out, which I'm too scared to go on.
But then there is Splashy Cove, which these kids like because both ages can go on the slides. And it's just a little hidden away area with a splash park that the kids love. So that's probably their favourite.
Joseph, he loved being able to do the outdoor activities. So the table tennis, the mini golf, the basketball was his biggest thing, wasn't it? Yeah. So close. Even, like I said, the stage shows and everything, you can take the kids to because they have an earlier session and then they can go and enjoy that as well. And people that don't want to be there with kids, they can go to the other session, which is key, I think, because some people, not everyone goes on the cruise and wants to be with the kids.
Let's bring the teddies over. Alira, who's this?
Grinch.
Grinch, she loves the Grinch. So the Dr. Seuss is on Carnival cruises. You'll see the Cat in the Hat. They do Grinchmas in July. So she loves all of the Dr. Seuss stuff. There's a Dr. Seuss breakfast as well.
We're going to the Cat in the Hat breakfast, which I'm very excited about.
Look who we found. Look at the menu. Look who's here. They took your bunny.
Alira made her in Build-A-Bear. So they do Build-A-Bear on the cruise ship.
So firstly you gotta pick out what animal you want, or you can choose anything. And then you choose the outfit, and then they have everything there. So they stitch it up, they put the fluff in there.
Everyone show me what bears you chose. Joseph. And we weren't sure what would be suitable for the kids to go to until we were there and did it. Next time we would probably dress up and have some fun in that way. We did take all the glow sticks and all that for the glow night party. Ready for the glow night party.
Is your jelly yummy? What? Show mummy your jelly.
If you're in the buffet, the kids can eat anything they want. They had a pasta night. They did have like a spaghetti and things like that. Yeah. The kids would have salad and stuff on their plates because they enjoy that as well. So they can choose anything from the buffet.
How much pizza are you putting in your mouth?
There's a variety for everyone. So for fussy kids, if all they eat is nuggets or pizza, then that's what they can have, but if you've got kids that will have other things, then they have that too. Especially with the desserts too, like they can have any of the desserts, everything.
So there was this like pizza place, and I would always get pizza there, like
With me sometimes.
every single like morning, in the evening.
So Joseph lived on pizza for 12 nights. Yeah, so when you're on the ship, you can live how you want to live and just, yeah, enjoy it. And obviously mum doesn't have to cook, so that's the best thing. Like I can just go on and not have to worry about any of that stuff. I don't have to worry about planning meals or going shopping or anything like that, like you would on a holiday that's on land, for example. So everything's taken care of, yeah.